laging tanong sa akin, ano ba yung dapat bilhin as their first luxury bag? So today, baliktarin naman natin. Ano ang dapat hindi mo bilhin as your first luxury bag? New day, new bag. Today, let's talk about what not to buy for your first luxury bag. Una, don't buy the super trendy bag. Hindi porket uso ngayon sa social media, kinabukasan gusto mo nang bilhin. Girl, give it at least 6 months. Baka mawala na rin sa uso. And trust me, super sakit bumili ng mahal tapos magiging outdated agad. Pangalawa, huwag kang mag-start sa high maintenance materials. Lambskin, satin, exotic, oo, magaganda sila lahat. Pero for your first luxury bag, dapat stress-free siya. Hindi yung iisipin mo mai-scratch agad, titingnan mo pa kung paano mo siya gamitin, yung bawat galaw mo, iingatan mo. Your first luxury bag should be stress-free and enjoyable. Pangatlo, huwag ka munang mag-experiment sa rare or loud colors. Oo, cute sila, pero hindi sila bagay pang araw-araw. And kung sakaling gusto mo na sila ibenta later, mas mahirap ibenta ang mga usual colors. Practicality muna tayo sa first bag. Pang-apat, don't buy it dahil lang sikat sila. If everyone has it on social media, doesn't mean na kailangan mo nang bilhin. Syempre, yung lifestyle mo pa rin ang basihan. Dapat, madaling style and bagay sa personality mo. Pang-lima, bag with poor resale value. Sorry, but reality check. Your first bag should be something na hindi drastically bumabagsak ang value. Para later on, kapag gusto mo na mag-upgrade, meron ka pa ring puhunan. And lastly, wag yung pressure purchase. Hindi yung kapag nasa store ka, na-hype ka, tapos sasabihin mo, sige na nga, para matigil na lang. Luxury bags are investments and emotional purchases. And you deserve your first bag to be something na hindi minamadali, pero pinag-iisipan.